Hi everybody, welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and today I'm going to show you how to properly prep your nails for almost any application. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me for another video. So the first tool that you're going to want to make sure you have is a straight edge clipper, and that just means, you know how you buy toenail clippers that have that little rounded part at the end? You want to get one that just goes straight across. Anytime you're doing acrylic nails or anything like that, this is the one that you want to use. So what I do is I just go ahead and clip off all the ends of my nails, and that way I'm having a fresh start. Next, I'm going to take my metal cuticle pusher, and if you don't have one of these, you can just use the end of a file, one of those really small files that you would use on a regular hand manicure. Then I'm going to use the other end of this metal cuticle pusher. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just loosening up that skin around that cuticle area, just so I can get it ready for the next step. And as you see, once you start rubbing there, that you see there's a lot of dead skin that starts to come up, and this is a reason why people have an issue with lifting, because they don't go through these little steps during prep time to make sure that whatever product they're using is going to adhere. Next, I'm going to be using my JSDA power drill, nail drill actually. And for all you people out there who don't have a drill, it's okay. I'm going to be showing you here shortly how you can use a file at this point instead. So I totally understand not everybody has a drill. There's always ways around it. So for all my drill peeps, I'm going to be using this drill bit, and this drill bit is really good for going around your cuticle, getting really close to your cuticle because it's very fine and you don't have to worry about cutting yourself or injuring yourself. So as you see, I'm getting in there very close, and it's starting to get up a lot of that loose skin, a lot of that dead skin that was around there. I'm just rounding off the edge of my nail too as well. What this is doing is just smoothing that area out, getting all that unnecessary stuff off of there. Now for all my file peeps, let's get into it. You will want to go ahead and you'll take a file, but you want to be careful when you're using a file so close to your cuticle. You want to make sure that the edges of the file itself are actually filed down, because you don't want to cut your cuticle area. It's very sensitive. So you can take another file and use that to file that area down before you start filing so close to your cuticle area. I know I said file probably like 20 times, but it's just very important. That way you don't cut yourself. We avoid any potential infection, blah, blah, blah. So as you see, I'm just doing the same as I would with a drill. I'm just going around the cuticle area, and I'm making sure that all of that dead skin is up. And I'm using my brush to also brush away any of the stuff that I've already filed, and that way I can make sure that I'm getting all of it completely. Okay, next you're gonna wanna take your file and just lightly go over your natural nail and just buff it a little bit. And this is just to rough up your natural nail a little bit and get any natural oils that are on it, because our nails naturally have oil, just like our body does, just to kind of keep it hydrated. But that's very important to get that off, and that way whatever product that you are putting on will help adhere to your nail better. It won't come off so easily because there's not those natural oils on there. So you'll just do this to every nail, and like I said, do it very lightly. This is your natural nail. You don't want to damage it. So next we're going to take some alcohol and a paper towel, and you'll just go ahead and you'll start cleaning off any of those foul shavings that you have And what using alcohol at this point also helps to do is it will dehydrate your nail, and that in turn will also help with, like I said, any of those natural oils that occur in your fingernails. And you want to stay away from washing your hands at this point, especially if you're going into application, because some of the soaps we use, they have moisturizers that will contain oils as well. So alcohol is definitely the way to go. So that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you found it helpful. Go ahead, leave me a comment below if you did, or if you felt like I left anything out, please feel free to go ahead and leave me a comment about it. Go ahead and leave me a like if you enjoyed it and you found it helpful. Leaving a like will help YouTube recommend this video and will in turn help my channel grow. If you haven't subscribed and you want to see more nail review products, more nail tips, and more nail hacks, go ahead and subscribe at this moment. I would really appreciate it. I'll see you guys on my next video.